Eso era todo. We're gonna take the high line right there. Here we go. Woo! Oh my God. Oh. Woo! Well, I just washed her, had her perfect, and now it's raining. Well, that's all right. We wanna try this bike out right now. Woo! Oh man, but the suspension's feeling great now. Puta madre, sí. Eso era todo. Ocupo otro muffle, como quiera. ¡Woo! Solo el muffle. ¡Woo! ¡Ah, la madre! Now we have got ourselves a nice day. A pretty sweet little jump right here. It's like a little tabletop. I'm about to show y'all. On a bike like this, it's too easy. Watch this. Woo! No way! This bike feels so good. Woo! Alright, let's go get to work now. And I cannot believe how much I love this bike. It's unbelievable. That is a great way to show up to work. Sup, Shiloh? Oh man, this bike is so awesome. Oh yeah. Unbelievable how this bike stays planted now. Oh. Yeah, this bike would definitely benefit from a tune as well. Might try to get one of those later. Woo! Alright, so this will be the more enduro type of test. Oh yeah, definitely feels better. Oh yeah, just eating that up though. Oh, woo! Okay, this is where it gets a little bit rougher. We're gonna take the high line right there. Here we go. Woo! Oh my God. Como si nada. Woo! Okay. We're gonna squeeze through here. Alright, and there is one more pretty cool hill climb here that's pretty difficult, so let's see if we can't get this done. Oh, okay, no panic. But yeah, this bike always wants to die. Okay, gotta go back first. There we go. Woo! Okay. Struggled on that one today. I definitely just gotta take that main line right there. What am I doing? Let's go, baby. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. That. Woo! Oh my God. This bike is so sweet. Look at that, we just float. Steering with the rear. bike is sick. Woo! Oh man. Suspension just loves to go fast. Oh man. That was amazing. Just for curiosity, I want to see how hot she's getting. Man, she's running nice and cool. Alright, we're going to try to go back down that same way we just came from. Woo! Oh! 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 Alright, here we are again. Let's go back down. Gas light just came on. Got to get ourselves to the gas station. Alright, this time I like this line right here. We're gonna give this one a go. Woo! A little rough there, no problem. Let's go get us some gas. Alright, we got one more fun part here. Check this way. Woo! Oh yeah, that skid plate working good. Think that new chain is stretched. Oh my goodness. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Don't worry, we will have plenty more with my 450X. Everybody, ride safe. See y'all in the next one. Ciao!